Pinokio AI Review. Hey there! If you ever wish you could run complex AI tools with just one click, no coding, no endless setup, then you're going to love Pinokio AI. In this video, you found out exactly what it is, how it works, and whether it's worth your time. Let's jump in. So what exactly is Pinokio AI? Imagine having a smart assistant that can install, run, and even update AI apps for you automatically. That's Pinocchio. It's like your personal AI app manager. Instead of spending hours on GitHub or setting up environments, you just click install and Pinocchio handles everything behind the scenes. Want to try the stable diffusion, chatbots, AI music generators, you name it. It's all there and you can launch them with one click. Once you download Pinocchio, you'll see a sleek of interface with tons of community apps ready to go. Each app comes with an install button and launch option, and sometimes even a built-in web interface. And here's the cool part. Pinocchio isn't just a launcher, it's a mini automation engine. You can script custom tasks, schedule them, and even connect multiple AI tools together like Lego pieces. It makes running AI locally feel effortless. So let's talk about pros and cons. Its pros is that it's super easy setup, no technical headaches. Then, you can explore dozens of open source AI tools safely. Then lastly, it works offline and gives you full control over your data. While its downside is that it can be a bit heavy on storage. Some apps still needs manual tweaks or GPU power. Overall, though it's one of the most beginner-friendly ways to dive into local AI. So, should you try Pinocchio AI? If you're curious about AI tools but don't want to deal with complicated installs, absolutely. It's like having a one-stop AI playground right on your computer. Give it a shot and who knows, your next AI project might start with just a one click. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you tried Pinocchio AI yourself. Thanks for watching!